Good morning, class. So, this is your chapter number third, parts of speech. Okay. So today we are going to do this chapter number third. So what is speech in the English language? Each of the word we use is one of the 8 parts of the speech. Speech is what? That we speak. Okay, that is speech. And every word which we speak from our mouth is having a particular name. Okay, so we use the words we use is one of the 8 parts of the speech. So there are basically 8 parts of a speech. Different words have their role as per their place in the parts of speech. So they have their different role as they are the part of speech. So there are 8 parts of speech. Number 1 is noun. What is noun? We know about it. It is the name of a person, place, thing or animal. Okay, or we can say noun is naming word. For example, girl, lion, school, football, Varun, India, etc. All these are what? All these are examples of noun. Okay. Second part is pronoun. It is used in place of a noun. So words which we use in place of a noun are known as pronoun. Examples: I, we, mine. These are first person pronoun. You, yours. Second person pronoun. He, him, her, she. Third person pronoun. Okay, it, they, their. These all are third person pronoun. Okay, now next, adjective. It tells more about a noun or pronoun. Adjective is what I have written here: quality showing word or describing word. This also you have to write where you will write adjective. Okay, quality showing word or describing word. What is an adjective? Quality showing word or describing word. Examples: beautiful, ugly, good, bad, small, six, this, which, etc. So all these are what? All these are adjectives. Now fourth part is verb. It shows some action or existence. For example, dance, play, drink, is, was, should, etc. All these are what? All these are verb, or we can say action words. What? Action words. Now adverb, it tells more about an adjective, a verb or another adverb. For example, seldom, here, therefore, cleverly, gloriously, etc. All these are what? All these are adverbs which we use in making sentences. They are used some places in sentence. So conjunction, it joins two words or sentences, or we can say connector. What? Connector or joining words. For example, and, but, or, since, etc. Okay, all these are what? All these are connectors. Conjunction. Okay, now seventh number is preposition, or we can say position showing word, or we can say relation showing word. It shows the relationship of one thing with another. What? It shows the relation of one thing with another. For example, to, from, in, outside, under, etc. All these are what? All these are preposition. Okay, now interjection. So these are what? These are exclamation, the sound, the sudden feeling that comes, and those words which suddenly comes from our mouth, those words are called interjection. Wow, ah, ouch, etc. All these are what? All these 3 words are interjection. Okay, that they suddenly comes from our mouth. Okay, understood? I think this will be clear. So there are basically 8 parts of a sentence. It is the name of a person, noun is given, noun is naming words. Okay, so I'll give you one sentence here. I'll show you one sentence here. Okay, she is intelligent. Okay, now my question is, if you will be asked to just tell which parts, to just tell, now here let me just make myself clear. So as this sentence is given, she is intelligent. Now you will be asked to tell each word, which part of the sentence. Okay, this is she is what? This you have to tell. This is what is according to parts of speech. So this you have to tell. Intelligent, what is it called? Okay, So can you see that? Can you do that? Yes, she is what? Pronoun, right? Is what? Verb. Intelligent is what? Adjective. So here, now as we have studied about the parts of speech, now we can answer this question very easily. Okay, so this is all about parts of speech. We should know that each word that we are using in a sentence, what is that? I mean, that's a noun or a pronoun or adjective or verb. What is that? You should know that's the word which we are using or speaking or writing or just listening, that which is that. Okay, I mean, what kind of a, which part of the sentence, I mean, the speech, which part of speech is that word that you are speaking. Okay, so this is all about parts of speech. So this you can, again I want to make it clear. Noun, naming words. Pronoun, words which we use in place of noun. Adjectives, quality showing words. Verb, action words. Adverbs, words which define. It tells more about an adjective, a verb or another adverb. Examples are given, you can see. Okay, then conjunction, it joins two words or sentences. Examples you can see: and, but, or, since, etc. Proposition, you can see, it shows the relation of one thing with another. For example, to, from, in, outside, under, etc. Interjection, it shows exclamation. For examples are given here: wow, ouch, bravo, even. Okay, so these are what? These are all interjection that we use in a sentence to just, we can say, to just add or just do some modification or just to beautify a sentence. Okay, now besides the above, there is article a, an and the. In fact, it is the part of an adjective but is studied separately. So these articles like a, an and the are parts of speech, and that is what? That is adjective. Okay, but we studied them separately because they differently used with different noun. They differently use. Somewhere we use a with consonant sounding words, a goal. N with vowel sounding words, an aeroplane. Though with specific particular thing. Okay, so this is how we do it. All right, now complete this chapter. Thank you so much for watching. And yes, one more thing I want to tell. This is write the 8 parts of the speech. This is given there, so this also you have to do. Okay, you have to write here the parts of speech that we have done. All right, now complete this task in your notebook. This is chapter number 3. Thank you so much.